In the dense rainforests of Borneo and Sulawesi lives one of Earth's largest honeybees, Apis dorsata Binghami. High above the forest floor, these giants build open-air nests, stretching nearly 2 meters wide, home to tens of thousands of bees. Unlike domesticated species, they cannot be farmed. They live wild, migrating with the rhythm of tropical seasons, pollinating durian, mango, and coffee. Inside the colony, order is absolute. Workers regulate the temperature to a perfect 35 degrees Celsius, and when danger comes, thousands unite, forming a living heat ball, raising the temperature to 47 degrees, enough to kill predators instantly. This is Apis dorsata Binghami, an engineer of nature, a guardian of Indonesia's rainforests, and a vital force sustaining tropical life.